Hey everybody, how are you guys? And today I have came up with a video in which we will try to figure out how we can use the computer vision techniques to determine the LBW. If you don't know about the LBW, it's like before wicket. It's a very famous rule in cricket, and if you watch cricket, you would surely know. Okay, so how we will proceed in that video is that I will try to create a playlist or maybe a chunk of videos in which we will go by step in the whole procedure to how we can actually develop a system which can actually predict the LBW. So we try to create it as much robust as much we can. And first of all, we need to have a few things clear, like how we are going to develop it, which technologies we are going to use, how we are going to use them, and everything. So basically, if you don't know about the computer vision, in this video, this will be a very beneficial video for you to get the introduction of computer vision and how computer vision work. So the scenario that we have is this. We need to predict this. For example, a ball comes in, we have a batter, we have to predict these three things, or maybe we just start with just a one. Is it hitting the mid-wicket or not? So just to this one, we will start with just to this one. And then we can move on to this and this. All right, so how we are actually going to do that? So in this video, I will just show up the pipeline that we are going to work on. And then we will try to develop it just right here. And I will make everything very easy for you. So first of all, what we need to do in the computer video, we need a ball. So we need a detector. We need to detect ball. So when the bowler is bowling the ball, we have a small bounding box, or we have something that is telling us that, okay, this is the ball. So we need a detector which will detect the ball. Then we need a tracker. A tracker will just show us the line. You can see that line here that's coming in and that's going onto the pad. So this tracker will track the ball. Then we have to decide where our wicket start and where our wicket ends. So we have to develop that too. So for that, after going into this part will comes in, and after going into this, we have a one magic box here. And that magic box is conclude a bit of a math. So I will make that easy for you, but this is going to be a little tricks of the maths that we use to learn how we can actually predict something, the curve and these kind of stuff. But these things are going to be easier than usual. And these things are really good if you're just starting from the basics. So after doing the math, we will create a final system. So what this system will do, let's say we inputted a video in which a bowler bowls a ball. In that video, it will predict LBW. Sorry. So this prediction part has all the things which we say detect, track, and math, and result. So in the next session, I will start with detection, and we will see how we actually detect the things using computer vision and computer vision techniques. Once we are done with this detection part, we will move toward our tracking part, and then we spend some time on the tracking, and then we move toward our mathematical part, in which we apply some mathematical techniques and to find the results. So there are going to be 1, 2, 3 major parts. So even if you stop watching it after 2 parts, I will design the videos that you will gain a lot of knowledge about how we detect and track. So in the future, you can detect and track anything by just watching this video. So see you next time, and hopefully we will develop this system. Bye for this one.